Another security camera installation, Breezy Point, Queens, New York. Let's walk y'all through, show you how it's done. It's kind of nighttime, but one camera's up there. See it? Neat installation. No wires being seen. Let's walk y'all through. Walk you through the back. Camera number 2. You see the LEDs on it? Siding, neat job, no wires. What's camera number 3?
On the side.
On the side?
Both sides.
All right. Here you go, camera number 3 in the back of the house. See, neat job, clean installation. We hit all the wires, tucked the wires. This job finished kind of late, so I got to show you guys late at night. But we do a lot of installs. This is install number 5 for today. Ooh. Walking through some snow. There go camera number 5 up there. See? Clean job. No wires. Security camera installation. Abstract Enterprise. Another job in the books. My name is Anwar Timothy. I'll talk to you guys later.